So Nick just bought a new steering wheel that we don't even know if the hub fits, which we're about to find out.
I just know it's a dope old school MOMO with some old school like crusty hub. So
Old school crusty hub. So first, disconnect the battery. Second, take stock wheel off, and then see if that one works. And then whenever it doesn't work, be disappointed. Buy a new hub.
be sad.
Yeah, be sad. Boom, disconnected. Done deal. Easy. How many is it?
3.
Only 3? That's not bad. Oh yeah. Is there top ones? I never saw.
The top piece pops off.
Do you gotta do these side buttons too?
Yeah, I gotta get those off.
Dang.
Come out. There we go.
Light work. Oh, I think it's supposed to.
There we go.
I saw it and I was like, yeah, that should just slide right off.
Right up. And
Just on the things.
plastic. Oh, we can disconnect the
Airbag.
airbag. We should probably do that first.
Yeah.
Probably
Just real quick.
smart thing, right?
I mean, the battery's already disconnected, but
Yeah, you can never be too safe. You know what I mean?
just like this, you know, you can never be too safe. You feel me, guys?
Shut up.
Never
That's
be.
from an Accord, that's why. That's why it doesn't fit.
Dude, it's gonna like launch towards
Directly in my mouth, and I'm just
in your shoulder, dude.
stand away.
Yeah, just I'm going over here.
Excuse me as I move my face.
You did?
That's hella easy.
That's good. Is that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah. There we go. See, you leave it on though, you don't smash yourself in the mouth with it.
Yeet yourself.
Yeah. That would be bad.
No, yeah, that would not be fun.
This just like explodes right into my mouth.
Oof. Oh no!
How do you get that off?
Wait, pull it.
Wait, here. Wait, this one?
Or we could just cut the
This
wires.
one? No.
There you go. Yeah, and pull it.
And then this one right here. There we go.
Why was that one so much easier than the horn? Nice.
Don't lose the bolt. See, and then there's a spline. Can you hear me the steering wheel?
The MOMO steering wheel.
The MOMO. Yeah.
Turn. All right, let me see. Back to the time lapse.
Like gold paint off of it?
Just paint them black.
Oh,
Oh, no, I get yeeted. Go for it.
You're right. And then.
There we go. Oh, look at.
Yes, sir!
Let's see if it fits.
Like that, and then you screw the bolt on. And then it's done. Yeah. It fits.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Nice one there, bud.
Shut up.
So I got all the bolts in. Got everything looking nice. I forgot to put the cover on. Why don't you use the Allen key instead of your finger?
Because I just want to finger tighten it first.
But your finger tight is like going all the way. Sorry for trying to make your life easy.
Performant driver mode.
We're not doing anything to make it go faster, because it's still a slow D16 with no VTEC.
Well, it's gonna be a
Who has a Honda with no VTEC?
You know what'd be sick? K20 boosted airplane.
You know how fast it would crash? Because like it'd be getting that turbo lag.
Well, here we go. She's stopped.
Oh, but your steering lock's on.
Yeah, we gotta start it.
But we gotta plug in the battery, Nick.
Oh yeah.
And we gotta make sure the horn doesn't go off.
Oh yeah, let's try that. Let's check.
God, dude, you have so much stuff on your battery terminal. Oh,
Did you hear that?
I think it was from my house. I hear my parents
I don't hear
talking.
anything.
And weight reduction, if you think about it.
When you put a steering wheel on your car and you think it's faster?
It honestly is though.
We don't know until I hit some turns. Wait. Are my wheels straight right now?
Yeah.
Really? What the fuck? So this is...
Well, we messed up.
Yeah, it's a little turn. Alright.
Well, it's sideways for now.
Round 2. I mean, I could fix it at my house.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Oh, it looks good. It definitely feels more responsive. It's a little more touchy. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Nick's car is finally getting stuff done to it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.